guys, welcome back to our channel. Ayan. We are back again with my husband.
Hello.
We are going to Ikea today and find something. Surprise. And today is special also because it's my
birthday.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Why oh no?
Oh no.
Oh no, my honey will spend money. Oh
Yeah.
no. So see you guys later. Let's see kung ano yung makikita namin sa Ikea.
Yeah.
We will share it to you guys. And we like that. And today also is start of the spring, March 20, honey.
Yeah. Yeah.
Today is start of the springtime already, and the weather changing. Ng araw ngayon, ayan. And the flowers start coming out, the wildflower trees starting to green again, the grass. See this one starting on the trees.
They come out.
Yeah, so it takes 1 hour to go there, guys. So see you later. Stop kami sa gasoline station para siguradong mayroon kaming gas kasi malayo-layo yung aming pupuntahan. I don't know what he's doing. Maybe he buys something inside. Si Honey Bunny. Guys, how many minutes? 2
minutes.
2 minutes? Oh, it's close. Traffic. Oh, we are here, guys.
Right on top of it.
Ready to turn.
This way you come out at.
The Ikea plug. Oh, what's that thing? Something over there.
Think something?
I don't have the. Yeah, the tent. Before they don't have like that there.
Yeah, probably something going on.
Today, Ikea furnishing.
A lot of people today.
Ayan, nandito na kami, guys. They just parked. We're going inside, guys. Hope not much people today, honey, ha?
Yeah, there was a lot of people here.
Always a lot of people?
Yeah.
Yan ang surrounding, guys, ng Ikea, Texas. My honey holding my hands. Maybe I lost a little bit. Dito na kami, guys, sa entrance. Huh? We're going up. Up and away.
Same height as you now.
Yeah.
One foot ahead of me.
We are here. So let's start searching. Oh wow, white. Look at that chair.
They come, they design things for you.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
This different, huh? Make your passion clear, unbox through spirit. You can try, honey. Try it, honey. Is it comfortable? No? Okay, but the price 700.
Yeah.
tingin kayo guys ng sofa. Manny said this is the chair for me. It's small.
Yeah, I like it.
It's for kid.
I like it. I like it.
It's not soft. Sa area na to mga cabinet naman. Yeah. We don't see anything yet, guys. House stuff, kitchen stuff, burner, refrigerator. You look refrigerator, honey. Look at the price, 2,000. Oh my, oh, 3,000 almost. Side table, side table. Mga bed naman dito, guys. But the price. Ikot, 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 ikot. Hmm? I like it. Look at that. So neat. Yeah. Look, organizer.
Yeah, but where are you gonna put the pipe?
And hang. What I like about that one.
See that, huh?
Huh?
Where the
What?
pipes gonna go? The pipes have to go down here. Where are they gonna go? In the drawer?
I don't know. There,
The pipes, they gotta go down there.
maybe a small one, only the pipe. I don't know. Ikot-ikot lang muna kami, guys. Let's see what we can
The
find.
back of the sink.
For me. For a baby. It's scary.
Big one.
Yeah.
I like it. You can want.
Yeah, it's scary.
Snake.
Oh. Tapos top toys, guys. For kids. Have a baby? Why you touching that? Ito yung restaurant nila, guys.
Downstairs.
New.
Right there. 59.
This is cute. The cooking, this?
That one you like, huh?
This
Pink.
just look cute.
$600. $60.
Yeah. Stop naman, guys, dito. Chair. Marketplace, guys, down. Wow. Super, guys. Wala pa kaming napipili. Oh my. It's for a little baby.
It's for me. Go now.
I don't see anything that I like, honey. Why are you looking for that one? You will drink?
Look at animals. I don't like them. I don't like those.
Look at this one, honey.
Yeah, cow. Cow
Hey.
head.
This is real?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is for a chair.
Maybe trying.
Yeah.
Go around there. Good for the living room.
Yeah. Yan, ito guys, pan display, candle burner. Oh, good. No smell? Ayan guys, gusto ko nito. Nahirapan akong pumili kung black, white, or pink. Gusto ko din kasi yung pink. White or pink?
I don't know what you want.
White.
I don't look at them. I don't care.
Huh? Wow, all greens here. Plants. Artificial plant. Kami sa self-service furniture. Titingin kami ng sofa. Wala si Haniban. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na. Storage. Storage area nila. Furniture storage nila ang lawak. Nasa front daw si Hanibani. So, pupunta ako sa front. Check out na kami guys. We didn't buy nothing. Ayan ang check out nila. Ayan, check out na si Hanibani. We are out guys.
The less I ever left with.
Huh?
Less money I ever spent.
Ayan, lilipat kami guys. We will still find a sofa. Wait. We're going to Rome to go and Ashley. Where? We are here guys, Rome to go. So let's go inside. Let's go inside and see. Ayan, nandito na kami guys. Looking. Ang gaganda, but the price is look like a egg.
Not comfortable, huh?
Yeah, hard. He's sitting in a pink one.
Sitting on the board.
Wow.
This is like the
Rin kaming napili sa Rome to go. Then we go to Ashley. Furniture.
yeah.
What's this one?
Berries are starting to come
Look, the Christmas decoration.
Holly.
Yeah.
Holly.
Hold me, Daddy. Nami sa loob ng Ashley. Still looking for sofa. Nakaupo ako kasi hinihintay ko si Hanibani. Ayan. Tinatamad na ako guys. Di na ako masyadong nagbibideo. Nakaka-disappoint kasi. Akala namin mas maraming option sa Ikea pero wala yung walang masyado ngayon.
Okay, on the count of three, we're gonna sing the Mavic. 1, 2, 3.